hiked to the summit of Mount Massive on October 2nd, 2021. Via the southeast route. Mount Massive is the second highest summit in the Rocky Mountains in the state of Colorado at 14,421 feet. Closest town is Leadville, and the majority of the hike is located in the Mount Massive Wilderness area. At the time of this recording, we had to park at the Half Moon Campground parking lot. Due to the temporary road closure, this will add about 3 miles round trip to the hike. Total hiking distance, 16.3 miles with 4,700 feet of total elevation gain. We started this hike at 5 a.m. and made it up to timberline right at sunrise. As soon as you get out of the trees, you are smacked in the face with jaw-dropping views. At around 13,000 feet, the snow was sticking on the trail from the previous nights. We brought micro spikes and snow gaiters and decided to put them on around 13,500 feet. Once we reached the 14,000 foot saddle, we were engulfed in a giant cloud, but the views down below to Half Moon Lakes and Mount Oklahoma were out of this world. As we ascended the ridge, the visibility got worse. We tagged the summit, but unfortunately couldn't enjoy the views. Despite the clouds, I enjoyed hiking this 14er more so than its southern neighbor, Mount Elbert. Better views, less people, and more fun to hike. We got back to the Half Moon Campground parking lot at around 1 p.m. At this time, parking was almost full. This was my 10th Colorado 14er summit and Emily's 18th. Can't wait to bag some more 14ers. Thanks for watching. Until the next hike, I'm Dave Spates, Hiking Adventure Photography.